Hey, this is Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer. So the question I got asked this morning was, where did my LinkedIn post go? And that happens to a lot of people. So let me share with you why that question comes up and how to answer it. So from the home page of LinkedIn, if I share a post, let me share a post real quick. All right, here's my post. And when you initially post it, LinkedIn shows it to you on the top of the home page. Pretty cool, so I can see it. I can see how it looks. Does it show up the way I want it to look? Or do I need to hit the three dots? And do I need to delete it? If I need to delete it or edit it, whatever is appropriate to make it work well. However, watch what happens when I hit the refresh button. The post goes away. And then you can sit here and you can scroll all day long and you will never find your post. It's gone from your news feed. And here's the reason. LinkedIn decides that, it doesn't need to clutter up your news feed with your post. So after you post it and you view it once, it doesn't show up in your news feed until you either share it again or something else happens to drive it into your news feed. Maybe a high level engagement. Typically, it will not show up in your news feed. What you have to do is go to your activity. If I go to my activity, and there's the post. So again, when you make your own post, you initially hit the post button. It will show up in your newsfeed. Then it will not typically show up in your newsfeed again because LinkedIn's decided it doesn't need to put your stuff in your newsfeed. So what you have to do is go to your activity page, go to post or go to all activity, and you will see the post. Furthermore, if anyone engages on the post under notification, you'll see your post. This is an older one, not the latest one just did. And then you can click on it and go to your post from there as well. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist and trainer, and I hope that is helpful.